Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World today. Hamas calls for imposing Jerusalem pause on Israel. Hamas and Fatah have remained at odds since 2007. Syrian regime captures 5 villages in northwestern Syria. Assad regime captures residential areas in Idlib's de-escalation zones and disregarding Astana deal. Syrian regime and Russian attacks kills 979 aid workers. Over 3,800 humanitarian workers still detained and forcibly disappears, says Syrian Network for Human Rights. Iran's naval drill show of strength to US analyst. Naval drill between Iran, Russia and China is a first since 1979 revolution. Military aircraft crashes in northwestern Iran. It remains unclear how many people were on board. Saudi Arabia under fire over Khashoggi ruling. Monday verdict over brutal murder of journalist Jamal Khashoggi faces international backlash. Kuwaiti's MPs urge help for Uyghurs and Indian Muslims. The statements were signed by 27 MPs. Tunisia will help stability efforts in Libya. Turkey. Over surprise visit to Tunisia, Turkish president stressed how Tunisia can help achieve stability in its eastern neighbor Libya. Belgium appeals court upholds school headscarf ban. Court overturns ruling which said European countries must allow all citizens free practice of religion. Malaysia to maintain pioneer role in Islamic banking. Kuala Lumpur planning to send Islamic banking graduates to be employed in other countries, says Deputy Finance Minister. Pakistan rejects US designation on religious freedom. US placed Pakistan on list of countries it says violating religious freedom. India's new citizenship law to make Muslims stateless. Asaduddin Owaisi said new law violates constitution and renders Muslims second-class citizen. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.